Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to refund a customer. There are obviously many reasons why you would have to refund the customer, maybe faulty goods or maybe they purchased something they didn't need after all. Again, they may have purchased several items on the receipt, although you can pick which items from that receipt you can refund. If they don't have a receipt, you can still refund, as you can go and locate the products and do it that way. There's many ways to do it and it's very simple, and I'm going to show you now how to actually perform a refund. First of all, I'm going to perform a sale, and then I'm going to pick any old product, it doesn't matter. There we go, and then I'm going to cash that off. That's that. So that's my sale. I'm now going to make a note of the number. Obviously, remember, as I said earlier, you may not get the receipt back off the customer, but 9 times out of 10, if they've got the receipt, it's a simple case of scan the barcode on the receipt and then select the items that you want to refund. So I am going to now go, and I'm not going to find an item. I'm going to recent transactions, and there's the one I've just performed. Very handy section that, there is a video on it. And I'm going to make a note of the number. In this case, that transaction was 129755. Okay, so your customer will come back in. They will say, can I have a refund for this, for whatever reason that may be. So first of all, you get the receipt from the customer, and then you're going to do a refund. And there it is. As you can see here, you can refund with receipt. You can refund with receipt from a different store. That's quite important. If you've got 4 or 5 stores, you very well could have the product number, or sorry, the receipt number 129755 in more than one store. So obviously, if it is a different store, you would use that option. You can refund without a receipt, and then you can refund by transaction search. You briefly saw the transaction search before when I went to get the actual transaction number. Okay, we're going to refund with a receipt and accept. Now at this point here, you can scan the barcode on the receipt if you have a scanner, and it will put the number in and off you go. That's nice and easy. I don't have a scanner to hand, so I'm going to type the number in as such, and there it is. Now if there'd been more than one product in the list, I could simply say, well, I only want this one anyway. I'm going to click to refund. It will ask me how many. As you can see, they have only actually purchased the one. If they purchased 5 and they wanted to bring them all back, they could. If they purchased 5 and one of them was damaged and they just want to bring the one back, again, they can. It's all nice and easy. Obviously, once you're happy, you've selected the products that are being refunded, you then do refund items. Just bear in mind, this blue one here, if they'd had a list of items and you click refund all, it would have checked them all basically into this and fully populated the quantities, thereby saving you time. Okay, refund items. Do you want to replace the item back into stock? Now that basically reflects on why the item's being refunded. If the item is being refunded because it is damaged, then chances are you don't want to put it back into stock unless you're looking to sell it at a discount price. If, however, the item was unwanted, then you can return it into the stock and put it out for somebody else to purchase. So that depends on the scenario. In this case, we're going with damaged item, and I don't want it to go back into stock. So here it is, product return, speedy salads, da-di-da, minus £2.5p because it's a refund. I now hit the refund button, and then it asks me how I am going to do the refund. Generally speaking, you would refund using the tender technique that was used when the sale was made. We're going to go with cash because that's what I did, and then accept. An amount being refunded to customer is £2.5. The cash drawer opens. That's on the screen so that you know exactly you're giving them £2.5p. You can say OK to that, and then there we go. It's a nice little reason box. Reason for return. Damaged. I mean, you can obviously put more in than that if you so wish. And accept. And there you go. Transaction complete. Customers refunded. Off they go. And all good. Thank you for watching, and please do check in again.